Good morning, everybody. We are at Walmart and we are excited to do some couponing, digital couponing. So yes, if you guys are new to my channel, hi, hello, my name is Jennifer and I'm here to help you guys save money at Walmart. So it is a little after 8. I always go to this one store, I always go to this bargain store after I'm done with Walmart, but they open at 10. So I have to try to like come a little bit later so I can get to the store. But I do have a weekend warrior. I have it where I need, is it 8 rebates? 8 rebates to get $3, so we're definitely gonna get that. And then there's that one big bonus where I need like 48 rebates and I'm 18, so I need 30 rebates to get a $10 bonus by the 12th, and that's not gonna happen, so that's okay. But we are at Walmart and I'm excited to share with you guys some digital deals, and yeah, that's all I can tell you. So let's go inside and have some fun. So here we have the soft soap or the Irish Spring that you guys can get for $4.97. I'm going to do the Irish Spring because this, my husband uses the Irish Spring. So you're going to end up buying 2 of them for $4.97. You're going to end up paying just $9.94 for 2 of them. But with the Swagbucks app, you can get $3 back when you purchase 2, or you'll get $1 back when you purchase 1. So you can either buy 2 of the soft soap or 2 of the Irish Spring, but you're gonna get $3 back with that. And then there is an Ibotta offer. Now it disappeared on my app, but when you go to these little buttons right here, you can go to that, and that usually means that as long as you have it clipped, it might disappear, but it's still available until it's not here anymore. But you get a $4 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making your final price just $2.94 or $1.47. So here we have the soft soap, hand soap for $1.24. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you will pay $2.48, but you get $1 back with Swagbucks when you purchase the 2, along with 50 cents off of 2 with the Ibotta offer. So your final total for both of these comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents each. My store has the Colgate Optic Pro Series on clearance for just $8, and we're gonna pay $8 for it. But then we have a Shopium rebate back, so this is up to your discretion. Some people are like, what does that mean? It means that it's optional if you want to submit your receipt to the Shopium app. But you get $3 back with the Shopium app. You get 310 kicks with Shop Kicks, which is $1.24, and then you also get $3 back with Ibotta, making your final price for this just 76 cents. Considering it was $12.96 and you get it down for 76 cents, that's a great deal. So here we have the Bic razors, the Easy Rinse. These are $6.47. There is a $4 Ibotta rebate. You would just get that for $2.47. Yes, there is a Shopium rebate for it, but that excludes Walmart. So $2.47 for the Bic razors. Otherwise, here we have the Bic Soleil for $3.97, and you can use the $3 Ibotta rebate for that, making this just 97 cents. The Palmolive dish soap is $2.68. You're going to pay $2.68, but we have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back, and there is a $1 rebate back with the Shopium app, making this just 68 cents. We also have the Ajax for $2.74. You're going to submit your receipt for the Ibotta app for $1 back and $1 back with the Shopium app, making that just 74 cents. We have this Gain Squeeze on clearance for $1.50. You're going to buy 2 of them. You will pay $3 for it, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta off of 2, making these just $2 or $1 each, which is a pretty good deal considering if you go to Walgreens and do this deal. But I like this set and I like the Gain Squeeze. here is an easy freebie that my store doesn't have, but it is the single glade plug-in for $178. You would pay $178 for it, but then you get $1.78 back with Ibotta. Not with Ibotta, with Shopium. So making this an easy freebie. So here we have these Suavitel dryer sheets for $2.97. You can pay $2.97, then you get $1 back with the Shopium app, and then you can also get $1 back with Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. Or you can get the Suavitel, the 100 fluid ounces for $8.97. Again, submit your receipt to the Shopium. You're gonna do $1 for Ibotta. Then you're gonna end up doing $1.37 back with checkout 51. You're gonna get 510 kicks with swag bucks, which is $2.04. And then you can also submit your receipt when you get one back with swag bucks, which you get $1 back, making this big bottle just $2.56 if you want to do it that way. Make sure you're checking out your clearance. My store has the bottles for 80 cents, and then they have these ones for $1. The Glade is $2, but the Shopium rebate does not work. We have the 2-packs for $2, and then these little bottles for $2.50 at my store, so make sure you guys are checking those out. Okay, so I did this deal last week with my Ibotta app, but there is Walmart Cash, and you can't combine those with Ibotta. But since I did this deal last week and it's no longer available at my Ibotta, what you're gonna do is you wanna get one of these Febreze sprays. Like I said, my store has this for 80 cents. Right here it shows it's 80 cents. But then it says I do get $2.30 back from using the Walmart Ibotta thing. Now sometimes you can get it up to 5, but these are a limit of 1 this time. So this ends up becoming, I didn't even do the math on this, you guys. This ends up becoming a $1.50 moneymaker for me buying this, and then this is just $1, and then again I get $2.30 back, so this comes out to be just a $1.30 moneymaker. So just check your Walmart Cash, make sure you check it out. But awesome deal. So here we have the Splenda Peel and Pour for $6.28. You guys will pay $6.28 for it, but then there is a $5 Ibotta rebate, making this just $1.28. And then we have the Stir products, which I'm shocked that my store is completely sold out of all of them. But those are $3.28. You'll pay $3.28 for it, but it's not gonna load. But there is an easy freebie that you guys can do this week at Walmart, making this free. Hello everybody. Yes, I am back from Walmart. So my store, like, it was funny, like I went in their deodorant aisle last week and that place was just ripped to shreds. Today all their body wash, all of their deodorant was like all nice and neat. The toothpaste, there was still some clearance here and there, some toothbrushes clearance here and there, but like I just couldn't believe how like one week it's like total trash and then the next week it's not. But the aisle where like all the air fresheners and stuff, that aisle was all messed up. It was a little bit better today than it was last week, but there's still a lot of clearance here and there. So just giving you guys a heads up, make sure you are looking for stuff. Like if you guys are still searching for clearance items, make sure you like look in the very back, because I see a lot of stuff get pushed back and then there's like a gap between the shelves and sometimes it might go on the shelf down below. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on stuff like that. But yeah, so my haul was pretty easy. A lot of personal care products, not a lot of food deals, which that is okay because one week it'll be all food deals and the next week it won't. But my grand total came to $58.29 for everything. Now what I always do is I always roll my gift cards between Ibotta, Swagbucks, Shopkicks, Fetch Rewards, and then what other apps I use. I'm always rolling my gift cards. I never usually pay my own money. I mean, at first to start you do, but then you just keep rolling them. So Fetch Rewards is one that does take a couple days to get. Ibotta's pretty fast. Swagbucks is sometimes fast depending on what gift card you get. Shopkicks is takes a couple minutes, but it's pretty good. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Like, just try to keep rolling them as best as you can. But yeah, so my total is $58.29. With Ibotta, I got $23.50 back. Shopkicks, now when I submitted my receipt for the Suavitel, before it said 510, and then as I was submitting my receipt, it said 600. So 600 would be, I can't do my math, be $2.40. So I would have gotten 40 cents more for doing that that little Suavitel deal. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. I did get the liquid over the dryer sheets, so yeah. Shopkick, again, $3.68. I got 920 points, so $3.68. Shopium, I did receive $6 back, and I got that money back like that. Last week, I didn't get last week's money until Tuesday. This past Tuesday, so it's weird, but that's fine. As long as I get it, I'm fine with that. Checkout 51, I did receive $1.37. That was for the Suavitel deal. Swag Bucks, I did receive 500 points, which is $5, and then I only needed 8 rebates for the Weekend Warrior, so I got $3 for that. And then there was the Walmart cash deal. They have it for the Febreze, and they had it for the spray and then the room thing. Now, I sometimes, when I used to do the Walmart cash, I used to get it like right away, and then sometimes it pops up like later in the day. So I'm still waiting for it. Like, I keep like updating my thing, and it still like won't show it. But then it does say like your claimed offers, and I did scan my receipt, so I'm not sure what the heck's going on. But it could take a couple hours, and I'm fine with that. So yeah, so I got that. So if without the Walmart cash included, my total would be $15.74 at 15 items, $1 for each. But if and when I do get that Walmart cash, that's $4.60. So it should be $11.14 or just 74 cents for 15 items. So basically, Walmart cash, what you do is like, however you pay, you just scan your receipt into the Walmart app, and then like it automatically gives you that money. And basically what it is, it's like an in-store gift card. So when you pay for whatever you want in the future, you just open that up, and like you're doing Walmart pay, and it'll come off your deduction. So when you get to the register, you do that. Another thing is, I always say, always scan your receipts for Walmart. Any receipt you have, always scan it, because number one, when you have to return something, you don't need the physical receipt. You have the digital receipt right there. Same thing with Target. Always enter your phone number when you guys do that stuff, because if you ever have to return stuff, you got a digital receipt. You don't have to worry about all that stuff. I like myself having physical receipts because I scan all my apps, but giving you a heads up with that. And then make sure you guys, I'm telling you guys, this brand club is awesome. And you can, as long as you are in every club for all the brand names that you bought, you can get like 2, 4, 6, 10 cents, and that does add up. And I think you can, I don't know what the minimum is to redeem it, but I'm just saying, like, that's free money, and then you could redeem it after so often. And yeah, they do have surveys, which I really don't do a lot of the surveys, but I've been doing the daily deals, which is nice. If you guys watch my Walmart or my Amazon subscribe and save, I explain more about that. But I really have been liking, Brand Club, and that's just like, it's just pennies that keep adding up, and you don't have to do anything except hit that plus button every once in a while, and it'll like connect all your accounts. So yeah, so that was my Walmart haul. Not a huge haul, but that is okay. Next week will be the day after Valentine's Day. My store, one thing I really wanted to get was the sweethearts, and I didn't get them this year because I'm like, But I'm just excited to get whatever clearance candy we can get for Valentine's Day. And then, like, I don't know when all that stuff will hit 90% off, but Target, I'm hoping to get a 90% off haul from Target. They will probably do it like within 3 days of Valentine's Day. I'm just giving you guys a heads up that with that. Halloween, it was 2 days after. Christmas, it was 1 week, but Halloween, it was 2 days after the Halloween. And just make sure you guys are going through the aisles and looking for anything that is clearance, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day related, but I'm hoping to have a haul with you guys for that. So make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I just hit 60,000 subscribers over the weekend, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for supporting my channel. My goal is always to get 100. I really want that plaque. I just have always wanted that plaque, and that is my goal. So my goal this year is 70,000, which would be awesome if you guys could hit that subscribe button, like this video, and it's free. So however you guys save money, and it's free to learn. So yes, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later, and bye-bye.